In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply texture in Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a texture into your project, position it correctly, blend it with your artwork, and dial in the final look so it feels intentional and polished. First, bring your texture into the document. Go to File, then Place, and select a texture image such as a JPG or PNG. Click and drag on the canvas to set its size. If you want to keep the proportions while scaling, drag from a corner. Aim for a texture that's at least as large as your canvas so it doesn't blur when you resize it. High-resolution textures generally give you a cleaner, more natural result. As you place it, make sure it fully covers the area you want to affect. Next, confirm that the texture sits above your artwork or photo. Open the Layers panel and check that the texture layer is at the top. If it isn't, simply drag it upward in the stack. Positioning is important because the blending you're about to apply only works correctly when the texture is above the layers you want it to influence. Now, change the blend mode of the texture layer to let it interact with what's underneath. With the texture layer selected in the Layers panel, open the Blend Mode drop-down and try options like Overlay, Soft Light, Multiply, or Vivid Light. Overlay and Soft Light are great for a subtle, organic feel that respects both highlights and shadows. Multiply darkens the underlying image using the darker parts of your texture, which is perfect for adding grit or paper grain. Vivid Light can be punchy and dramatic, enhancing contrast for a bolder effect. There's no single best choice here. Switch through a few modes and watch how the texture responds to your colors, shadows, and highlights. Finally, refine the intensity using opacity. Lowering the opacity of the texture layer makes the effect more natural and integrated. Small adjustments go a long way. Even reducing it to somewhere between 20 and 60% can turn a heavy texture into a convincing surface finish. If the texture still feels overpowering, reduce it a bit more. If it feels too faint, nudge it up until it complements your design without stealing the spotlight. That's all you need to apply texture cleanly and effectively in Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo. Import your texture, place it on top, choose a blend mode that suits your vision, and fine-tune with opacity. With just these steps, you can add depth, mood, and tactile character to any project.